Good afternoon, guys. By the name of my voice, I'm here to show you how to integrate these things. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share and like. You will benefit a lot from this. Okay, since you can see on the board, I write some few problems, evaluate the following integrals. So I want to show you how to integrate this and how to integrate this. So what you have to do here, sine, the integral of sine to the power 3 x times cos to the power 4x dx. What you have to do here, you have to check the exponent of the trig function that you have, and you need to deal with the odd exponent. Since you can see there is 3 and 4, that means I can split this sine cube x to be sine x times sine square x. Okay, let me write it this side. This will be integral of, where there is sine cube x, we are going to put sine x times sine square x, because this is the same as this. We are just splitting it, so it will be sine x times sine square x times cos to the power 4 x dx. That is the first thing that you do. You just look for the function that has got even x, that has odd exponent, then you split it to be odd and even. So you can see that sine cube of x becomes sine x times sine square x. So what is left is to change this sine square of x to be in terms of cos of x. The main point of this is that we need to use what we call an integration by U substitution. We need to integrate using U substitution. So let me erase this because it's already there. Let me erase this. So this will be equal to, you know that we can use an identity, a trigonometric identity, that cos square of x plus sine square of x equals to 1. This is a trig identity. So you can make sine square of x to be the subject of the formula. This is sine square of x equals to 1 minus cos square of x. That means where there is sine square of x, we are going to put 1 minus cos square of x here. So let's go and make it. Let's erase here. So this is the integral. This is 1 minus cos square of x times cos to the power 4 of x. Allow me to write this sine x together with dx here. This is sine x dx. Because I have already put this, let me write this one. So you can see that what we have done, we just apply the trigonometric identity and say sine square of x is nothing but 1 minus cos square of x. So what we're going to do, we're going to let cos x to be u. Let u equal cos x with the intention of substituting this sign, because it's the one which is disturbing this. So then when you integrate this with respect to u, you get minus sine x dx. You can see that in the place of sine x dx, we can put minus du. So when you divide by negative, it will be negative du equal to sine x dx equals to minus du sine x dx. So we are going to substitute everything there. So let's move to this board. It will be the integral of, where there is 1 minus u square, where there is cos x, I'm going to put u times u to the power 4 times negative du. This is minus. You can take minus 1 outside of the integral since it is a constant. So and distribute this u to the power 4. Distribute this u to the power 4 to remove the brackets. So this will be u to the power 4 minus u to the power 6. Since u this one times this one is u to the power 4 and this one times this one is u to the power 6 times du. So this is easy to integrate because minus. How do we integrate this? We use what we call a power rule, that the integral of x to the power n, it is equals to x to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1. We use the power rule. So this is dx. So this is equals to 1/5 u to the power 5 minus 6 plus 1. It is 1 over 7 to the power u. 1 over 7 times u to the power 7. Then plus a certain constant, because you know when you're integrating, we must add a certain constant. So we can remove the brackets by distributing the negative. So this is minus 1 over 5, u to the power 5, plus 1 over 7, u to the power 7, then plus c. You know that this u will let u to be cos x. So we don't have to leave it like this. We need to retain the owner. In place of u, you put cos x, because this we're integrating with respect to x, not with respect to u. We just use u substitution to help us to integrate the way. So this is equals to minus 1 over 5. Where there's u, we are going to put cos x. So this is cos 5x plus 1 over 7 cos 7x plus c. This is your answer. This is your answer for this. Thank you very much. We'll meet on the next video integrating this second part.